नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Aloe Socotrina Medicine, Part 1. Ancient history, historical use of various aloe species as well documented. Documentation of the clinical effectiveness is available, although relatively limited. Of the 500 plus species, only a few were used traditionally as herbal medicines. Aloe vera, again being the most commonly used species, also include are Aloe vera perry and Aloe vera ferox. The ancient Greek and Roman used aloe vera as treat wounds. In the Middle Ages, the yellowish liquid found inside the leaves was favored as a purgatory. Unprocessed aloes that contain aloin is generally used as a laxative, whereas processed juice does not usually contain significant aloin. Some species, particularly aloe vera, are used in alternative medicine and first aid. Both the translucent inner pulp and the resinous yellow aloe from wounding the aloe plant are used externally for skin discomforts. As an herbal medicine, aloe vera juice is commonly used internally for digestive discomfort. According to Cancer Research UK, a potentially deadly product called TUP is made of concentrated aloe and promoted as a cancer cure. They say there is currently no evidence that aloe produce can help to prevent or treat cancer in humans. An excellent remedy to aid in re-establishing physiological equilibrium after much dosing, where disease and drug symptoms are much mixed. There is no remedy richer in symptoms of portal congestion and none that has given better clinical results, both for the primary pathological condition and secondary phenomena. Bad effect from sedentary life or habits, especially suitable to lymphatic and hypochondriacal patients. The rectal symptoms usually determine the choice, adapted to weary people and aged and phlegmatic old beer drinkers, dissatisfied and angry about himself, alternating with lumbago. Heat internally and externally has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving the pure juice. Head symptom, headache alternate with lumbago, with intestinal and uterine affections, disinclination to mental labor, ache above forehead, with heaviness in eyes, must partially close them, headache after stool, dull pressive pain, worse from heat, face marked redness on lips, eyes compelled to make small during pain in forehead, flickering before eyes, redness of eyes with yellow vision, pain deep in orbits. This session, powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.